Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a pleasure to have you here, and today I want us to talk about some cool ways how you can make some amazing cash online by doing some simple task. Here is a website. Here we have work online and earn daily in dollar and naira. Get started now. Welcome to Freebyz. Freebyz was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Here you use this website to answer survey questions, you play games, you install applications, and you do a lot of other things. On Freebyz, you can hire online workers, which is for content creators, to have more views, you have a company, you're launching a product, you can have a survey, and also to create your views, to add more value to your followers, and a lot of things that you can do here. Once you come to these Freebyz interface, the first thing that you need to do is, I already have an account with them, so I'm just gonna log out first of all, and then once this interface here, I am here, the first thing you're going to do is you click on register. If you don't have an account with them, click on register. Once you click on register, it will redirect you to this interface where you are going to put in all your details, and after you've put in all the details, you click on register. Automatically you are going to register using Google. You tick in this very particular box, and now that I have an account with them, I don't need to do that. I'll just jump into login. Once I click login, it will redirect me to this interface where I'm going to put my email and my password. While we wait, these here, that the one thing about this website is that it's a bit tricky. It's asking you must have to pay 1,000 naira just as a verification fee for your account. Once you do that, you are going to be using it for live without having any issues. Here the verification fee is 1,050 naira that you have to pay, and the other foreign currency wallet address you have to pay based on the amount that is there. To fund you, there you have, every particular person has an account which they are going to use, which is specific for their own account. And then you can see that this is a new account and I haven't done anything yet, but once you do jobs, it will show here. Once you have referrals, it will show here. And the good thing about this website is that you are going to earn more if you are able to sign up using other people's referral link, because that way the website is going to pay you 500 naira for every referral that you get. And this way, this is to show you that this particular thing here is actually legit. More than 80,000 users globally, and these are some of the tasks you can do: watch and comment, and at the same time you sign up into OPay, and then you get 1,200 naira bonus and a lot of tasks that you're gonna do here. And once you finish, let's say you're able to get some money and then you want to withdraw, you just come here to your wallet here where there is money, click on withdraw here, withdraw request, and then the balance here is 0. You put in the number and then select an option, either through local withdrawal or PayPal withdrawal, anyone that you want. And this is it for this very website. And then the second website that I want us to talk about today is afripaygurus.ng. This is also like the similar website, but the good thing about this website is that it is actually completely free. You're not going to pay anything. You just make sure that everything works so good, so well for you. And then here, the next thing that you need to do, once you come to this interface, click on here, and then if you don't have an account with them, you click on register. As you click on register, you put in all the details and then you sign up. Click on here, you register, and that's it. But since I already have an account, I'll go back here, click on the login, and then I will be asked to enter my Gmail here. I'll first of all log out, alright, and then secondly I'll have to log in back again. And from here you can see that already I've been in this platform and I've done some little tasks which made me earn some little money from there. Here I have task earning here 6,550 naira. From the referral earning I've made so far 2,780. So this is to show you that this is actually legit and it's not something which you can doubt. Then here I have some of the features here that you can do. Let's say for example, these are the features. You click on here to get your task, my dashboard. You click on my task here, and then once you click on my task, the available jobs that you can do are available here. This is it here. These are the jobs that you can do. 50 naira and 50 naira, 50 naira, 50 naira, 50 naira. Instead of just sitting idle doing nothing, why not focus on these? It might be considered to be small, but if you're able to continue every day for like 1 month, you're going to be making something cool for yourself. And that is it, guys. And once you have a balance, you want to withdraw, you just come back to this place here, the features. You click on the features and go to my dashboard here. Click on my dashboard and it will take you to your dashboard. From your dashboard, the next thing that you need to do is you just go on and click on withdraw here, and once you click on withdraw, it is going to process here. You request you request it, and then cancel request, you make a withdraw request, or and so on and so forth. This is actually how this thing works. And thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate.